What's up, everybody? Bill here. Um, just got off work. It's super hot today. I'm pretty darn thirsty, and I got something new that I've never had before, and I thought, you know what? I want to review it the first time I try this stuff, okay? And what is this stuff? It's RC Zero Sugar Cola, okay? RC is an OG brand, okay? And it's one of my favorite brands, okay, for Coca-Cola. In my opinion, it's in the definite top three. uh, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, RC, okay. We'll be doing a battle in the future of the regular versions of this stuff when I decide to splurge. But for now, we're going to try the zero sugar RC Cola for the first time with you guys, okay? So let me get my tweaker light on here and see what it says on the can here, okay? RC is really good. It's a really good soda pop, the regular one, okay? So it's got a bunch of zeros, 2% sodium. Let's see here. 0 calories, 0 sugar, and it's made by Dr. Pepper 7-Up, okay? So super cool. Let's check this stuff out. I'm really thirsty. Very patriotic can, red, white, and blue. Awesome. All right. Check out the aroma. Cheers. Yeah, it smells like cola. Yep, it smells like Coke, Pepsi, whatever. It smells legit. Let's check it out. Cheers. Wow. Damn. That is awesome. I am beside myself lately with how good these these diet sodas have been lately. I mean, wow. I picked up a 12 pack of this for like $11 from Stater Brothers. Okay, so really good price. And I would swear I'm drinking regular RC here. Really good carbonation. Just a tinge, just ever so slight note of the, artificial sweetener there, but very good for a diet soda pop. Yeah, you can tell it's not sugar, okay? But it's a regular, cola flavor. It's kind of hard to get that perfect because it's just cola and sugar, basically. So it's going to be really hard to cover up that artificial sweetener, okay, with just cola. Like with the other ones, you got cream, you got cherries, you got wild cherries, you got strawberries, banana, all this crazy artificial natural flavors in some of the other ones. But this one's just cola, and it's cola and then sweetener, okay? So it's kind of hard to cover up the artificialness of it, but they did a pretty damn good job. Although I do pick up the artificial sweetener a little bit, but not bad. Not to where it's like off-putting, okay? It's still very good. And I did not know that Dr. Pepper 7-Up makes this stuff, so very cool because I'm a huge 7-Up and Dr. Pepper fan, okay? 7-Up is medicine, okay? It's one of my medicines, my go-to medicine when I'm sick. I drink 7-Up, and it works fine for me. 7-Up, Tylenol, Billhound Special, my food I eat, homemade stew, and sleep. That's my remedy for a flu or a cold. And if I'm really sick, I'll do that, but then I'll go out and I'll get some pho noodle. Okay, that's my remedy. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm all over the place. This is a soda pop review, not a medical advice, natural remedy review. But anyways, this is really good. I'm going to give it double thumbs up. It's a win-win for this one. So if that sounds good to you, check it out. It's definitely worth it, okay? Especially if you're trying to watch your figure, okay? Trying to watch your figure over there. So thanks for stopping by. Hit the thumbs up. I appreciate that, and I'm going to slobber on myself. That would have been really funny on camera. So anyways, y'all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you later. See ya.